So let's continue with the other essential concepts in special needs education. So ang unang-una na i-discuss for this video would be the developmental delays. Lagi natin naririnig yan, ano, ay delayed, speech delay, mga ganon, lagi at lagi. So what mainly is developmental delays? It refers to delays in physical, cognitive, social, and emotional development. So, pag ang isang bata ay hindi niya nare-reach yung one or more developmental milestones compared dun sa mga bata at his or her age, then pwede natin i-consider na merong developmental delay yung bata. Ano ba yung mga developmental milestones na sinasabi? Yung nag-i-smile, nagro-roll over, di ba? As early as infant pa lang yung bata, meron na tayong mga makikita na signs. Yung pagtatayo, yung magpo-pull up muna, waving goodbye, that's also an example. O yung pagka sa walking niya, no, expected. Once the child starts talking, andyan na rin yung walking. Tapos yung mga first words. According to the text, sabi dito, children reach milestones in playing, learning, speaking, behaving, and moving. They develop and reach these milestones at different rates. No? So, iba-iba naman. Kaya lang, meron talaga siyang certain standards. Kumbaga, a developmental delay means your child is continually behind in developing skills expected by a certain age. So, wala namang sinasabi na dapat 1 month, 1 year, 1 month, dapat ganito na. Dapat 1 year, 2 months, ganito na agad. May iba-iba naman ang rate nun. Kaya lang kung halimbawa, 3 years old na yung bata pero hindi pa rin naglalakad ng diretso, hindi pa rin naglalakad ng maayos, then, it could qualify as a developmental delay kasi that child is continuously behind dun sa pag-develop ng skills na inaasahan sa age niya, 'no? So, ang child development, remember, it's more than just physical. No, children grow, develop, and they learn throughout their lives, starting at birth. No, so kasama dun yung paglalaro, yung pagkatuto, no, the way they speak, the way they move, and the way they behave. Ngayon, merong mga iba't ibang klase ng developmental delays. We have, sabi dito, the physical, we have the cognitive, social, and emotional development delays. No, so tingnan natin yung mga samples dito. I'm going to show you some statements kasi identify natin kung alin kaya dito ang cognitive, alin ang social and emotional, and then alin dito yung sa physical development. So, in the green box, nakasulat dyan, a child may have trouble following directions or solving a problem. Orange box, a child may struggle with understanding social cues, having a conversation, or dealing with changes to a routine. And then sa baba, a child may have trouble holding an object in their hands or have trouble with coloring and writing. So, alin kaya dito? I'll give you a few seconds for you to identify which is which. No? Alin ba dito yung cognitive delay? Alin dito yung social and emotional delay? And alin dito kaya yung physical delay? Tingnan natin. Meron siyang mga very obvious na ano 'no, na statements or concepts na masasabi natin, ito cognitive ito. Because cognitive delays, talks about learning, your thinking, 'di ba, understanding information. So kapagka may trouble yung bata following directions or solving a problem, most probably ay it's a cognitive delay. Yung second naman, it says there may struggle yung bata with understanding social cues. So, andun na yon, social and emotional delay. So, kapag ka tayo ay lumalaki, pagka tayo ay nakikipag-interact sa ibang tao, one of the skills that we acquire is how to get along with other people, di ba? How to express our feelings, our ability to communicate with others, to communicate our needs. Kaya lang ang isang bata na may developmental delay when it comes to the social and emotional skills na dapat ay meron siya, yun, magkakaroon siya ng struggles when it comes to understanding yung mga pangyayari sa paligid niya. Kagaya nung mga sinabi natin earlier, ang early intervention ang pinaka-importante dito. 'Pag sinabing may developmental delay ang bata, ibig sabihin hindi niya nare-reach yung certain developmental milestone as expected for his or her age. It means na yung bata ay nagde-develop slower than the children of her age, gano'n. But again, with early intervention and support, typically makaka-catch up sila. Kaya importante as teachers ay malaman natin yung mga developmental milestones ng mga bata for us to spot. Eto ba, nakakasabay? Eto ay hindi, gano'n. Dito ba sa area na 'to may delay? Sa speech lang ba o pati ba sa, social and emotional skills meron din ba? So, we won't be able to identify kung merong delay if we don't know the milestones.